Port Everglades, a major economic driver for our local and state economy, is one of the leading gateways for international trade in our nation and one of the top 3 cruise home ports in the world. With more than 26 million tons of waterborne commerce from 70 countries arriving and departing from the port each year, Port Everglades is one of the most diverse seaports in the United States. The port is also home to some of the world's largest cruise ships. And now, Port Everglades is investing in our future with more than $3 billion in innovative infrastructure improvements. Part of the port's aggressive capital improvement plan includes replacing bulkheads or seawalls in many areas of the port that have reached their design life.
Well, the infrastructure that we're investing in, and more importantly, the infrastructure that our tenants are investing in, will lead to future, more efficient, more cargo throughput, and more jobs.
With continued infrastructure investments in Port Everglades like this, the South Florida community will continue on a sustainable path of future economic growth.